What is up, guys? Majestic Ruby 74 here with my friend Natalie.
No!
It's okay.
Is it showing? No, you're just recording.
It's going on YouTube.
Okay. There's the puppy.
Oh, yeah, get him, Spiky. Okay, Spiky, I don't mean to stop. Boy, Spiky. It's okay.
Puppy.
Damn! Arrow. Natalie.
This one literally looks like a bear. Stop. I'm gonna kick the ball. Oh, stop. I want to kick it.
Fine, you can kick it. Wait. There's another ball. Natalie. There's another ball. There's 2 balls. Oh, dang!
He's like,
You want to play? We'll play some soccer. Dang it, soccer. Record this.
okay.
Stop, you're scaring me. He's hogging the ball. Oh!
Why is there an oven? Who puts an oven in their backyard?
Come on, share. Hey, you're hogging the
I got it. You can record. Normal person.
Arrow. Go get Arrow. Okay, Natalie, kick the ball. Oh, holy Oh, that was scary. There's 2 balls. I thought you weren't gonna kick it.
Go pretend like you threw something over there.
Okay, Arrow. Dang it. You're hogging them. I wanna.
Okay, I'll record it.
Wait. Oh, wait. He's hogging them all.
He's scary. I feel like he's gonna bite me.
Arrow.
I'm trying to point at them.
Good boy. Okay, I'll block it.
Arrow.
Get it, Natalie! Natalie! Yeah, shot, I got it!
Kick it. Sound like you're just about to sit down. I got the chip.
I'm scared! Oh, he's chasing me. What are you doing, Sonny? Okay, Natalie, it's your turn to kick.
Oh, God.
It is your turn.
He's gonna kill me.
Arrow.
Kick it.
Alright, good. Oh my gosh!
They scare me.
Arrow.
They're adorable, but like scary.
Arrow, get it. Why just?
I'm sorry, how about you do it?
What the heck?
You're scared of your own dog.
It's not mine.
It's not?
Yes, basically it's upstairs dog. Okay, Arrow, you're hogging them all both. You need a share. Whoa! He just grabbed them!
He even dented both of them. Pretend to kick it. Hurry, kick it! him this time. Arrow.
Natalie.
Tell me what to do.
Run!
Kick it.
Oh, you can't run. You calm the heck. Let me use that ball. That wasn't that far.
There. I hit the bike.
Nat,
Kick it. What's wrong? Kick it.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, just.
I'll hold the phone.
Guys, I'm so scared. Okay. You better share.
You better share.
Sharing is scary. Okay, stop. I'm serious. I'm playing.
Why did you do this?
Okay, give me the camera. It's yours. Oh, Jesus.
I feel like it's gonna break me.
Same. Dude, this is like your base.
Why did you kick over there?
We're gonna have to go.
Dog.
We're on this territory. Aquí.
¿Andas en la tierra?
No.
No, no estoy entrando en la tierra porque está cocina.
Okay. You're gonna have to bring it.
Like frozen.
Arrow, come here. Bring the ball. I'll get the ball on my own. Arrow. Wow. Natalie, get it! Oh my!
Now we got both of them by each other. Wait, hold on. Ready? You want this? Wait, did he eat this?
No, he should not eat that, but just throw it for distraction.
Take out the bait! Do that. Sound like you normally walking by.
No!
Don't kill me. No, he bubbled. Where's my distraction? Okay.
We're literally.
Why'd you kill the gold person? No. My shoes.
Natalie, why did you do that? Kick it!
No, I'm gonna hide it.
Kick it out! Run! He's coming! Ollie! Oh, stay! I swear to God, stay! Arrow, stay! Go get him! No! He's coming!
No, he's not.
Okay. Hide me! No!
Oh, now how are we supposed to get one?
I'm gonna defeat the king! The boss level!
Grab it! No!
Here.
Hurry!
Here! Bun! I just shut up, Catch it! There's balls. Arrow! On the camera! I need to... Just keep pointing the camera at me.
This is scary.
That's me! He's got dirt on his tongue!
Ew!
Dirt! Okay. Arrow!
Arrow!
Ah!
Arrow! Arrow!
Distraction!
Arrow!
Distraction! Arrow! Distraction!
Look at. Hurry, grab the other one!
Ah! Ah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh! Leave me the heck alone! Get them! Get them! Get them! Ah! Oh! Holy snap!
Panic.
Ah, Natalie! I'm scared.
You're a good dog.
Hold up. Wait, hold the camera. Natalie.
No. Arrow! Arrow!
Natalie! Natalie, don't leave me hanging.
Arrow! Arrow!
Hey, Spiky. Natalie, hold the camera. I need to tie my shoe. Ah! Natalie, hold the camera. Arrow. Natalie, hold the camera. Hey, Natalie, hold the camera. Come on, come on.
I need a rock for a distraction. Oh God! I
I thought he was barking too.
Hey, you don't need it right now.
Sorry, guys. Natalie just got lost.
Hold on, I need to go that way.
Okay, goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We might make a part 2 with another person or myself. Bye.